Hello preps and welcome to our second science lesson. And in this lesson we are going to learn about how to observe the world around us. Observing is about looking and using our senses. It is an important skill that scientists use in the work that they do. They use all their senses and they ask questions about what they observe. What things do you think that scientists might observe? Scientists may look at observing plants and animals. A vet is a scientist who observes animals, and a botanist is a scientist who observes plants. When scientists observe plants and animals and even people, we often call them living things. Now you're going to watch a video about a sugar glider and you're going to use your 5 senses to observe this sugar glider. What did you observe about the sugar gliders? Did you notice its claws, its soft fur? Did you notice how big or how small it was? This is what you call observing. Scientists make observations of living things for many reasons. They may be trying to find out more information about them and write it in a book or to protect them. They will use drawings or they will just write the information down. As well as using their senses, scientists often use special tools to help them observe living things. Different scientists use different equipment, but the items that scientists use to observe living things can include magnifying glasses, microscopes, scales, cameras, stethoscopes, and thermometers. When scientists are observing living things, they also need to be very careful to keep themselves as well as the living things safe. Some living things bite or sting, some have spikes or poisons. In the outdoors, scientists need to protect themselves from sunburn and insect bites. They need to watch for things that could damage their eyes and wear the correct clothing. They need to be safe so they can continue their important work as scientists. You will now go for a walk outside. You observe living things like a scientist. A scientist calls this a field walk. You will observe animals but not catch them or touch them. When you get back, you will do a scientific drawing. You will draw what you observe about your animal or plant. You will use labels, as we can see in this picture, and you will put a title and a date and your name on your drawing. You will point to parts of the animal or plant that you have chosen and write what they are. With this lizard, they have written what their head, their body, and their tail. So perhaps I hope that you have been able to see that you are all scientists. I hope you have done your drawing and that you have made it like a scientific drawing with labels, a title, a date, and your name on it. Until we do lesson 3, we'll see you later. Bye.